What's up, everybody? D'Angelo here. So I've been up all night, guys, making new training for Team D'Angelo and stuff like that. So I decided I'd go ahead and throw this, video up here on the channel, 100% for free. So in this video, we're going to be going over how you guys can promote CPA loan offers 100% for free on autopilot, with your Facebook groups. Now, all you're going to need for this is your landing page here. So this is a landing page I made right here. Also, guys, don't forget to generate your mobile version. So you can go right here, and generate a mobile version. And if you don't like the way it looks when you come over here and you click it, then simply edit the mobile version as well. Make it all line up and stuff. Make it look real nice and pretty. So this is how my page looks right here. It just says, ready for your new car, get your loan today. And then I basically just took the thing from the landing page, get your new car today, 98% approval rate, click the button below, and then we got the apply button. Boom. Super simple stuff, guys, right? That's literally all you got to do. So once you got your page all made up, you're going to need your crawl post account and you're going to need your, your Market Poster account. So I mainly use Market Poster for, things I can't do on crawl posts or whatnot. So like adding people on autopilot, pretty much just puts everything that I do on autopilot. I guess I use it for pretty much everything, other than posting in groups now. I use CrawlPost 100% for that because it's just way better, at least in my opinion or whatnot. It's much better on CrawlPost, when you're making your posts because you can schedule everything out to the T, like everything. With the scheduling is beautiful over here. So what's your groups go, guys? You're gonna come over here, same thing. You're gonna search for groups or whatnot. Now, when it comes to your groups, I don't want to tell you guys exactly what to do because then everyone's gonna go join those groups and then everyone's gonna get flagged and everyone's gonna go to jail and all that stuff. So basically, guys, what you want to do is you want to go for groups that normal people are in. So like I see people promoting like the baby diapers, they're promoting, CPA offers, they're doing all type of crazy stuff and they're making money online. It's like, why are you promoting auto loans and stuff like that inside of making money online groups? A lot of those people, even though a lot of them don't make money, they know what CPA is and stuff like that. And they know for the most part that, you're going to get paid for that. So even if they click your link, they're most likely just going to try and steal your funnel, or they're just going to copy your landing page, or, anything along those. Basically, you're not going to make, some money doing this. Now, it's possible, obviously, that you could do it, that you could make some money, but it's better to go for normal people when it comes to this. So you want to go for groups where it's basically just has normal people in there. Now, I don't mean you go straight to a car group or something like that. Like you can go for a group of people that are hurting, right? So let's say you got a group. Let's say you get in a group where it's like they're giving away free. I don't know, like free T-shirts or something, or free book bags or something, free school supplies, right? The people who are in there, they need free school supplies and free book bags and stuff like that. Odds are they're going to need a loan, right? So there you go. Something as simple as that, guys. Again, I don't want to, just flat out tell you exactly what to do, with the words and stuff I be using or whatever, because then literally every single person that watches this video is just going to go do that with no creativity, no type of research, no nothing. Then everyone's, again, is just going to go to jail and everyone's going to be joining the same groups and doing everything in the same niche. So you got to do a little bit of research when it comes to this part here, guys. Again, just go for where the normal people are who are hurting, all right? And then once you find your groups, you're going to make your post over here. Now, you can do a video or an image. I recommend just doing an image or something just like simple or like a little text or whatnot. And then you guys already know me. I love doing I don't know if I can post this here. You never want to post this as if you are the owner. I cannot stress that enough, guys. Do not post these ads and stuff like that as if you are the owner. You always want to do it as a consumer because you're going to be obviously around a bunch of other consumers. You want to be in the same boat as them. So you can say something as simple as, I just got a new, I don't know if I can promote this here or not, but I'm super excited. I got me a new car and, my credit was crappy, and I know a lot of other people are out there in the same boat as me or whatnot, and I was able to get a loan, in 48 hours from, this company here. Just wanted to give them a shout out again. I don't know if I can post this here if the admin. If you guys don't like it, you can take it down or whatever the case may be. You want to sound like a complete 100% regular person. You don't want to go in there, hey, I just started up a loan company and we're giving out loans to everybody and stuff. Okay, you don't want to go in there and start saying stuff like that. You want to go in there again as a 100% consumer, right? And then once you do that, you're gonna take your link here. I mean, whatever your stuff is here. So you set your stuff up. Then boom, you're done. That is literally it. So you would take your not your Builder IX link. You should have your own link here. Oh, that's another thing too, guys. Make sure you have a universal domain. Like, if you don't know what I mean, basically have a domain that works for everything. So then that way, if you're like new into this, you're not buying a new domain for every single thing that happens. Like if you go buy a niche specific domain, then I mean you kind of got to use stuff for that niche. Now, obviously, you don't have to 100%, but I mean it looks a lot better, when it comes to that. And I didn't think a domain was super important when I first started out. And domains are very, very, very important, guys. Like, I mean, it's so important. But once you do that though, you would upgrade your account, or transfer your domain, or whatever you want to do. Get your domain all set up, and then then you would post it in here. So you'd have your line set out, and everything, and then you would schedule this, guys. Very important when you're scheduling this, right? So this is the easiest thing ever, because you can set this up for the next however many times, or however long you want. I can set this up for next year, and have it stop next year, have it post one time, 2-3 times a day, right? So what I like to do is I'll have these set for anywhere from like 2 to 5 hours for each one of these. So that's just me, guys. Like I said, I haven't been in Facebook jail and I don't know how long, and I literally have had this running for, I don't know, I can't even think of how many days it's been running. It's just running non-stop, like damn near every day, all day, 7 days a week, and I have not been in Facebook jail with these settings here. So you do 5 hours, 5 hours, and then come down here. You can do like 5, 10, up to you guys when it comes to this right here. So you would auto pause after 10 posts or auto pause after 5 posts. Normally I have mine on 5, 5, 5. That's just me. You guys can play around with this, or whatever. That is, I'm thinking that is pretty much it. Oh yeah, for your groups down here, when you search or whatnot, make sure, let me see. Oh yeah, sorry, I don't have any accounts on this one. But when you sign into your account or whatnot, make sure you post in the right groups, guys, okay? Very important that you post in the right groups, because just because you post, your posting itself isn't going to get you put in Facebook jail or get your accounts, your post flags or whatnot. Other normal people, especially dealing with normal people, they can get your account flagged. I mean, not flagged. They can get your post taken down or whatnot. So you definitely want to be careful. Make sure you're posting in the right group. So if you're in like, I don't know, like a gaming niche or something, I don't know, whatever it is, right? You just want to make sure you're posting in the right groups. If you're doing making money online, you post in making money online. If you're doing dog stuff, you post in those dog groups. Like, you don't want to go and start spamming or putting stuff like anywhere where it doesn't go. Like, the only groups you can get away with that is making money online groups. Like, literally you can post damn near anything you want in a making money online group and no one's gonna say anything. It could be dogs, mom, it could be loans, it could be debt relief, it could literally be anything. No one cares in the making money online groups. Completely different story when you're dealing with everyday regular people. But that is pretty much it, guys. If you got any questions, simply drop them down below.